crazy. Holy crap. It's actually unlocked. This is... There's some kitchen stuff in here. Wow. Put the cam back on. Oil products, diesel car. This is some type of auto shop at one time. Showers? Huh. Holy heck. It's like an auto or truck shop, or truck stop or something. Oh, it's a truck stop. Holy. This is a truck stop gas station. Oh my Lord. This is so cool. Look at this. Wow. Look at all the signage left. Storm going on outside. So I'm in a little truck stop, gas station area. This used to be a gas station, I think. Seats. Oh, used to have payphones. But yeah, sorry, I get too excited. Yeah, truck stop, gas station, or just a gas station along the road. You know, it had showers. To me, that's very truck stoppy. There's all the coolers, and they had the drinks. Another cooler here. Pretty cool setup. Wow. It's crazy. There's our counter. Sorry, everyone. I'm just so excited. This is just amazingly cool bonus to run into. Jeez. Look at that. Sorry, I'm going to get the light a little better. That is beer and wine purchasers. Hold up, don't try. We photograph you and your identification. Love it. Get behind the counter and look around. Now, this is the office. A chair stored here. Probably some from the restaurant next door. Man also owns that. Wow. You can move the camera around. Holy. Look at this. Look at that old safe. Oh, that thing weighs a ton. That right there. That little piece is like 20, 30 pounds. Jeez. That is solid. Drop safes. A big block. You ain't moving it. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a door. Look at that. So cool. I like this. Got the computer. Another old unit. Cash register's still here. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's still there. That's so cool. Oh, it takes a different key. Oh, no, it doesn't. It's jammed somehow. Maybe somebody's monkeyed with it and tried to bust stuff. Man, still, little vandalism. Nice little bonus piece, everyone. Let my poor little action cam sit there by himself. Tell me you haven't always wanted to go back in one of these places. Look behind. Don't trust that. You're alone. Make sure doors don't shut on you. Holy crap. It's weirdly cool in here. There's my camera out there. Sobe tsunami. Wow. There you go, Sean. Lava lizard. Oh, there's a lizard lava. Holy crap. Weirdly cool in here. There you go. Camera out there. Tsunami. Wow. There you go, Sean. Lava lizard. Cool. Sometimes little things you've imagined since you were a child, even as a grown-up, they're great. Oh, wow. Machines out of trucker's choice and ceremony. This was a truck stop of some type. Cool. Oh, that's what this is. It's like a trucker's stop or a hotel or something. Little rooms, air conditioned. Sink. Yeah. Little trucker's stay. Huh? Always leave comments for me, let me know. Is this what you call a trucker hotel? Truck stop? What? So we're roughly starting to go. Oh, drippage. Oh man, love to have that at home. Look at that. So cool. Just in such tight quarters. When I go to my other lens, I don't like it for quality, especially in the dimmer light. Seems to mess with my quality. Ah, some of the furniture's left in this one. 10 more fisheye, but it is wider. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Sorry. It's very hot up here. Little trucker stop. Truck stop. Why I say trucker. Oof. There's a creepy hallway if I've ever seen one. Thing is, there were steps on the other side too, I thought. Maybe just be another set of steps. Oh! Heavy duty trucker payphone. Yeah, I'm obsessed with a trucker at the moment. All with their own little air conditioners. A lot of them, there's at least 3 or so of them now. The same really old Admiral tiny TV. Doesn't work. Nope. I'd die if it worked. Yeah, a little bit of graffiti. Somebody did get in here, but they haven't been horrible to it. You can't beat that. Whoa. Well, there you go. A lot of the equipment from the station. Right, a little bit from next door. Another one of the TVs. About it up here. Get on the other stairwell. Head down. The rain slacked off enough. We're gonna head to check the restaurant, make sure it's not open, and if not, get some good pictures through the windows. Yeah, this little truck stop gas station, pretty cool little extra find, really. Got a lot left in it also, very little graffiti, very little vandalism, cool little hotel thing upstairs. Just enough to stay and sleep for your, 8 hours downtime you need to have? Truck drivers, comments below. What's the downtime you need? All the pumps are going outside, so I didn't realize what it was until I got in here. But leave comments below. Like, subscribe. Please hit the bell. The bell will be over there. Hit that bell with YouTube's new rules or new algorithm. Just being a subscriber, you will miss a lot of people's videos. Not just mine, a lot of people you like. You must hit the bell to make it stay at the top of your inbox/notification box, or YouTube buries them. And you may not ever get notified at all of videos unless the bell is rung. So please hit my bell. Join us for for more exploring coming up. This is Kylie from Exploring a CF. Stay curious about your world. Get out there and explore. And talk to you next time. It is pouring down rain outside, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave here real quick to try to get back to my car. Put my cam on my side under my shirt. Should be safe enough there for a short trip. See if you had your backpack, it's semi-waterproof. Light ain't waterproof either. Or do I just wait? Oh, it's raining pretty good. Shoot. I'll put my light under my shirt too. And go for it. All right. Drive home wet. There you go, everybody. This is exploring. Oh, it is just pouring. Holy crap.